What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters right now, working on my little stair setup for a few clients. And just wanted to say something, man, because it seemed to some that I tend to ruff their feathers a little bit. I think they got an issue with me being a black independent welder, a black independent welding instructor, a black independent boss, a black owner, black. Is there an issue with it? I don't have no problems with assisting or helping other races because I know we're brothers. Like, I know this. We're all God's children. But I'm sent for my people, my black people. So I'm going to my people first, just like Jesus did. The Jesus that you worship and praise. He went to his people first, and when his people rejected the word, he gave it to the dogs. You know, he gave it to those on the corner, those on the street, those who wasn't Jews, you know? So I was sent to my people, but I'm gonna give the knowledge to whoever want it. You know what I mean? But don't criticize me or knock what I'm doing because I don't look like you, because you feel like a black man shouldn't be saying and doing what he's doing. You know what I mean? But I'm not asking for permission. But one thing for a fact, what I'm doing is working. You know what I mean? So, and I'm not kissing nobody ass for no check. I'm not stressed out and got too much on my plate because I didn't bit a little too much off. I'm okay. I'm alright. And that's why I can practice what I preach, because I'm living by example. And I got archives that goes back 2 to 3 years showing you how I started, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? So I have nothing to prove. That's why I put it all out there, man, because my message is to live by example, to live to be remembered. And I can't live to be remembered if I don't show you the ups, the downs, the bad, the good, you know, the smiles, who I am, who I am as a person, my character, because that's why I made a personal blog. And I didn't turn my welding page just into a straight business page, because I want you to know how the person got there. You know, we always seeing people there, but we didn't see the process. With me, you're gonna see the process. You're gonna see what I did and how I did it and how I put it together and how I started and what I flipped and what I made and all that good stuff. I'm cool with that because I know I'm here to lead by example, to pass something on. So I want to show you my good and bad. I have no problems with that because I know as long as I'm here, I'm always getting better. You know what I mean? And I feel like I don't reach perfection until I'm gone, until I'm out of here. So as long as I'm here, I'm gonna get my hog on. I'm gonna lead by example. I'm gonna do what I do. You know what I mean? So I'm not hating on you. So why you hating on me? Hog on.